out at the AV Mall. Chic is crazy. Look at this. They got Yeezy slides. I've never seen these in store. They're like bigger size at least. And then they got multiple foam winners. That's crazy. So with these sun shorts, $40, $40, 30. That's 28 bucks. It's a hell of a deal. And of course, lids. They got their semi-annual clearance sales. You know I had to cop something. This also does get all the SB dunks. They got all the SB dunks. Happened to be out in Lancaster today. They got the AV Mall. Let's go, man. It's hot as hell, man. Let's go inside. 105 outside. They also have one of these finish lines, one of the last ones out here. This is the only mall in the Antelope Valley, so I'm curious to see what they got here. Got some Jean Morants. Apparently a bunch of different sizes go for 90. Also got Vomeros right here. All orange Vomeros, 55 off. Oh, they got a second colorway of the Morants right here. They're alright, they're alright. Got generic J's right here, little discount, and then some Club C's right here. I was like, they got the Space Jams? No, not really. Some Solutions on the other side. No, that's about it. So, yeah, not much going on in the sales rack right here. Got a few sales on some Air Max ones. These aluminum foil ones look awful. These look alright if you have something that match. Sale midsole, not a big fan of those. And these orange, not bad, not bad. Kind of like the leather on them. Does have suede and then some nylon as well. And got some small sales, but nothing too crazy. Got some 90s right here. At least sales are getting a little bit bigger. 100 off of these bad boys right here. And 2013s, we're gonna see a deluge of sales on these because I don't think I've ever even seen anybody wearing these. But yeah, they threw out a few colorways this past year. And then they got some sales right here, but look at this, Court Visions, really? At least these are pretty decent. I think these look dope right here. People have been finding these on sale on the Nike website for hella cheap. You know, $40 off. Got lows, got mids. They've been on sale at most spots, right? This mall has an arcade just with claw machines. I've never seen that. That's just random as hell. They got a Lids. Let's check it out. I think they have a locker room by Lids here too. No, wait, this is the locker room by Lids. What the hell? Okay, got double XLs right here, 113. What these Kawhi jerseys going for? $75. You do get an extra 30% off everything on this rack. A LJ jersey 101. Lakers shirt $34. Jacket right here, $60. Moving to the smalls. What's up with these sun shorts? $40. $40, 30. That's 28 bucks. It's a hell of a deal. Got some Rams shorts right here, Mitchell and S. And they're $43, so it's about 30 bucks. All right, so finding some decent stuff. 113. Oh, this is the carpet one. I don't know what those are called, but they're the carpet ones. Those have been going for a decent amount. DeRozan jersey going for 60. Is he still with the Bulls? Boston, is that short sleeve? Oh, Boston short sleeve going for 20. Medium right here, $40 for the Suns. Oh, these aren't the Suns. Oh, I thought these were the Suns. These are the All-Star shorts. The All-Star shorts, $40. Really? It's like 30 bucks. I have so many shorts though. I really have so many shorts. Holy crap. Oh wait, what's up with the Niners? What's up with this Niners? Hold up. I might have to grab this one if the price is right. $43, so 30 bucks. $30. Pats shorts are the next ones right here. 43 for those. These are some solid deals. $30 for most of these. These ain't bad, dude. And these are all Mitchell and S. Swingman. These are 64. That's a little too much. Rodgers jerseys, we've been seeing those. The Adidas. Oh, do got Fanatics jersey right here going for 91. Those are some. That's a nice Kings jersey. We got the white one right here as well, going for 91. Lillard going for 60. Got a DeRozan one right there. Eckler, I think he's just switched teams, right? 65 for those. 71 for this Mitchell and S windbreaker. This one makes me sad. This one makes me sad right here. Raiders shirt right here, $18. Then you get that 30 off, man. This is like less than 15 bucks. Yeah, it's like $12, $13. Chargers right here. Dolphins. These are down to these are $30. LeBron on sale right there. Let's see if they got anything up top. They got a Deion Sanders jersey on sale over there. $30 off of Deion right here. And then these regular price, $180 or $175. I'm sorry, $175. This is just the regular swingman, I guess. NFL Legacy. That is a Mitchell, and that's $130. $130 for that one. And the large is seeing a lot of the same stuff. Definitely worth the look. Definitely worth the look. Dude got hoodies right here, Rams hoodies. These are Mitchell and us. Like I said, these are 47 brand, $56. Always see Dallas merch on sale, $26 for a large t-shirt. Dodgers going for $30. They got shorts, 30% off there, 30% off. Looks like original price, which is $85. So 30% off, $85. That's not bad, but not the steals that I'm used to. Yeah, so I guess I'm gonna grab this. This is a throwback Mitchell and S shorts. And these are down to $43. You get another 30 off. So it should be about 30, 31. I could wear these with like a white t-shirt. I could wear it with a wife beater. I don't know. I'm a fan of this. Let's go. Let's go. They do have the Mutombo Abdul Rahim. What the hell happened to him? Like, he was supposed to be the like upcoming superstar. Dude got Iverson. Also the Penny Hardaway. That is a classic one. Also get 30% off. Jackie Robinson, Griffey, and Ortiz. And yeah, these came out to about 30 bucks. 30 bucks. It was 30 bucks plus tax. So what, $33, something like that. Not bad. Not bad. Definitely happy with this. If you're local, you guys know Pharmacy Skate Shop. They got plenty of skate shoes here. And this place also does get all the SB Dunks. They got all the SB Dunks. And then we've talked about these. And plenty of y'all are grabbing them. Because I do hear plenty of you guys talk about them. And this is the latest release. I thought they came out last week, but I don't know. I think some places just released them this past weekend. And yeah, these are nice. Oh my goodness. Suede is just so awesome, but the color, just not digging the color. But yeah, the SB Dunks, man, these are so dope. So dope, man. If the colorway was just something other than this dark orange, man, I would grab them for my kid. My kid's kind of starting to like these. But yeah, material is just fantastic on them, man. But yeah, these are going for what are they, $125 now? Such a bargain, especially for that material. Man, I'm such a fan of SB Dunks right now. I've been talking about these 480s. Like, this is hella nice. This one's pretty dope too, but look at this one. Look at this one. The leather on this just seems freaking phenomenal. Got a, what is that, a bunny? Is that a bunny right there? But yeah, these just look freaking phenomenal. Like the material, dude, holy cow. Or the material feels phenomenal, holy crap. Like, damn, they look alright, man. I'm just mesmerized by the material on that. Like, such soft leather, dude, holy cow. I think I like the color blocking of that one a little bit better though. And the skate shops, they've always hated sneakerheads, but now they got running shoes. They got freaking running shoes, 2002 Rs. Some of the, I don't think people use these for running much anymore, but yeah, some of the classics, 1906 is like, they got running shoes, man. That's crazy. They even got the Shadow 6000s. I've not seen these anywhere. They got a couple left. $100 for this one, $100 for that one. 10.5 in size 13s. Like, I'm a fan of these. They use really nice material on them. Man. All right, I found some crazy steals at the Chic in the past. I think most places still have these diamond turfs, do they? I got them out here. It's too hot to be worried about sneakers out here, man. It's like 10, 15 degrees hotter than the valley, I feel like, which is like 30 degrees hotter than LA, man. We just saw the Dunks, which are the exact same colorway as this one on sale, but not the Air More Up Tempos yet. You know, if the price is right on these, man, I'll grab all of them. Man, under $100. Yeah. Under $100, I'd have to think about copping any colorway, man. Got some jumbo dunks. I've never even seen this colorway right here. Materials are way different too. These ain't bad. These not bad. 125 for these. And Chic is where we've seen these on sale. Not bad, man. Not bad. $100 for the jaw ones. One of the few spots, multiple colorways of their more up tempo. Slides right here. $70 for that one. And I probably should have gotten this one when it was 40, but like I said, my money was not right. It's a little better now, but yeah, $50 for that one. Spot has foam runners. They got Yeezy slides. Holy cow, I don't think I've ever seen these in store. Wow, and they got the 350s as well. These slides, I'm surprised to see slides here. Holy cow. Holy cow, that is crazy. Yeah, I'm good. Thank you. And they got more and more. This is like the biggest, I think, selection of Yeezys I've seen anywhere. Holy cow. Holy cow. Got Quantums right here as well. Wow. And then the Jordan section and the way back got plenty of J's. We've covered the Jordans so many times. Moving on to the women's section. Look at the women's section here. Solid selection of dunks. But look at this. They got multiple of the same ones. What the hell? They're making it look like they got more. These are pretty nice right here. Decent material on these bad boys. These are premium. Yeah, 120 for these. This one's a pretty dope colorway as well. Yeah, these are 120. I'm trying to see the colorway. C-class. What the hell? They got some all suede ones right here. And then these ain't bad right here as well. 120 for these. Used to have a whole big sales rack right here. Not really seeing it today. This is a nice little pro standard baseball Lakers jersey. $90 for these. I have a Jordan one already though. NASCAR jacket right here. This is way too white though. Way too white because my kiddo loves all kinds of racing. Always checking out prices. 120 though. 120. I believe these are normally like $2. Oh, that's the Jordan one. That's the Jordan card right here. Oh, that's dope. That's dope. These right here going for 70. A while back they used to even have sales items right here, but not seeing the sales today. Hell of a selection. And then all these Yeezys. That's just crazy. That's crazy. Pro Image been hooking it up with some deals lately. Let's go see what's up. This one is a super tiny location. I don't see a sales rack or anything. They got some sales. They got starter jackets right here, 150 down to 100. Few different teams representing. Got Green Bay right here. Mac Jones jersey, heavily discounted. Dodgers jacket getting the same treatment. They got 50% off a bunch of hats right here. I don't know who the hell that is. Why do I not know who that is? Dodger hats going for 20. Fitted hats right here for 20 bucks. It's not bad. Steelers hat right here. Lakers fitteds, as well as Raiders fitteds, and then I also got Cowboys, San Diego Padres, and then the Yankees. These are all fitted hats. Got suede hats for $20. Damn, these are dope. More Dodgers hats right here. And this is a Brooklyn Dodgers one, I guess. Then got Niners hat 20. Dang, 15 bucks. Damn. Remember Pro Image? They're all franchise owned, so they tend to be more mom and pop shops compared to like all the other sports apparel stores. She was like, hey, you got something from Liz, but not getting something from us. I was like, give me some Mitchell and Ness shorts for 30 bucks. I'll take them. That doesn't work that way, but yeah. I think this Foot Locker's the last sneaker shop here. Foot Locker lately just has not been impressing me, especially with their sales. They got the least here, and this is the most crowded sneaker shop here. It's just crazy how that works. But yeah, they do have the Diamond Turf, so it looks like these aren't sold out. Or is it just the Antelope Valley? I don't know, but they got these here. This is the latest Foamposite release. Never seen these right here. $240 for the foamies. GT cut 2s right here. Pretty decent price, especially if you don't have a Nike outlet near you. Got the LeBron Next Gen, all suede right here, matches the Lakers purple jerseys. Okay, that's not bad. $130. This is the one that matches his first signature shoe, Zoom Generations. And then they do have a few other things on sale. Nothing too crazy though. Nothing that just moves me or makes me want to show you guys certain things. In the women's section, they do have the Dunk Low Twist, the University Blue Dunk Low Twist on sale. What do Dunks even go for right now? All right, these are retail right here, like a mocha looking one. So yeah, $125. So $45 off the University Blue one. Okay. Couple of the Sabrinas on sale. What are they normally? $130. So what? $30 off. But that's it, man. That's this Foot Locker. Not the biggest Foot Locker, but like I said, most customers out of all the sneaker shops here. And I do have to stop by Bath and Body Works. BBW. Love me some BBW. Actually, I have a birthday coupon or something because I buy stuff like this all the time for the ex and other people. So, all right, I guess I'm gonna have to pick something for free. They still got some 75% off items for the semi-annual clearance sale. Got some body creams and that type of stuff. Like, I'll grab these and give them away to people at my work. It's all women at my work pretty much. I'll grab both of these. Cause yeah, that brings these down to like $3-4 as opposed to $19. Yeah, they need to wipe these baskets down. Damn, dude, they're looking kind of whatever. So I ended up getting $65 off. I still spent close to $50. Stuff for my kids' baby mama drama and a couple lotions for people at work. That wasn't worth it. Oh well. All right, that is the Antelope Valley Mall. If you live out here, this is the only mall near you guys, so it is what it is. Not too bad. Not too bad. I did put out a short, or I will in a couple minutes, showing what they got here. And yeah, make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you guys stay tuned. Hopefully I can get you guys a preview of the next video. But we out, man. We out. All right, it is hot as hell out here. I just checked my weather app. Out at the beaches, it's 70. Out in LA, it's 80. In the valley, it's 90. And it's like 100 out here, man. Damn. Man, I know Teslas are dope, but the electric car things takes like an hour to charge the car, right? So it's like 100 degrees outside and you just chill in your car for like an hour? Yeah, no, that's not gonna happen, man. That's not gonna happen for me. I got stuff to do. Got stuff to do, man. That Chic out in the Antelope Valley. And they got Yeezy size. I don't think I've ever seen men's sizes at the store. It's kind of crazy. Also have a couple different colorways of these foam runners. But they're getting one for a customer in the back. Also got 350s, whatever the hell those are. And they also got Quantums as well. The pharmacy board shop out here, they got the latest SB Dunk release. Material on these is so good. Holy cow. And of course, lids. They got their semi-annual clearance sale, so you know I had to cop something. And of course, on the Cool Kicks YouTube channel, I drive around all around Southern California to find you guys the best steals and deals. So yeah, check out the Cool Kicks YouTube channel.